Hello guys. Look, Kenshin playing Minecraft.
I'm gonna undo the cave. And
And
I'm building my home block.
let me see. Wow, it's nice. Diba? Kenshin. And then we eat at the Chowking.
Choking.
Oh,
But then my juice.
what's that juice?
Mogo mogo.
Shin have a juice, mogo mogo. And there we wait for mommy there. Mommy enter the laboratory. Shin, the laboratory, mommy. We don't know if we know na Yui is a girl or a boy. What you think?
I don't know.
You don't know. What you guess?
I don't know.
You guess what's Yui, girl or boy?
I don't know.
Shin don't know it. I think it's a girl. You said no. I think it's a girl.
I don't know. Are you drunk?
I'm drunk. No, I'm not drunk. Later, I'm drunk.
To the house?
Yes. It's called there. Oh, don't touch that glass.
Look, there's a CCTV.
Where? Ah,
CCTV.
that's antenna. I think that's an antenna. That one, it's antenna. Where the clouds moving na? You see it? The clouds moving. Diba? Super fast. Look, super fast. The cloud. You think that's?
Jesus.
Mami sure na, what you guess? It's a boy, it's a girl. Yui.
Tapos lang ng check-up ko.
Pero na, pinakita na.
Nakita na.
What you think?
Pinakita na niya.
What you think? What you think?
I don't know.
What you think?
What is daddy's guess?
I guess it's a girl. How about you?
I think it's boy.
About mommy, what you think?
Di ba team boy kami?
Let me see.
Kasi,
Let me see. Show it. Show it.
daddy,
Look. Who's this? Yui is Tan tararan. What you think?
I don't know.
It's a baby boy.
Boy, microwave.
You win. I think it's a girl, but it's a baby boy. Oh,
Look,
you have a brother.
Look, just like you.
Yeah, you have a brother na.
Di ba, we say when it's a boy, we go to swimming.
Hey, the boy. I'm going to swimming.
Okay. We go to swimming on Saturday or Sunday.
Pero after 3 weeks yung balik ko daddy, sa 16, may pelvic scan daw ako ng doktora.
Okay.
Saka CBC ulit.
Kamusta may resort? Okay naman.
Win.
Okay, we go home na. It's a baby boy.
Wala na sa bahay.
I'm a baby.
Oh, yung mga damit ni Kenshin. Mga tagluman na, tago mo. Kenshin, your small damit. Ikuha na natin. Sige na, let's drive.